Just log in into this brand new website that was created less than 7 days ago. Set it up as shown in this video, connect it to this platform in less than 1 minute and start making hundreds of dollars again and again. I have a lot of I've tried it for an entire week, it's proven to be working properly. And since it's a brand new website, not a lot of people know about this and there is no competition, so you can now be one step ahead of all of the future competitors and collect the most money. Now, don't worry, you will not have to trade stocks, you will not have to film any videos, you will not have to sell anything, and yes, this works in your country too, because it's worldwide money. Here's the main website which will allow you to set everything on an autopilot in less than 60 seconds. Literally in less than a minute you can start making profits with this website. And if you stay until the end of the video, not only will you be able to set it up on a complete autopilot, so pure passive income, you can make money hands-free, but if you follow along with me and you follow each and every step I'm gonna show you along the video, somewhere in the video I'm gonna show you how you can claim a $5 absolutely free bonus. So it costs you nothing to pay close attention to this absolutely free YouTube video, but it's gonna allow you to get a $5 absolutely free bonus. So with that being said, let's first jump on another website which you will need to set up before we get to this platform that is going to do all of the work for you. Okay, so this strategy is going to be really simple because today we will only combine two different platforms in order to make this work. So in order to start making hundreds of dollars every single day, you just need to combine these two different websites. And first of all, I just want to show you this one. This one says you can get paid electronically via PayPal or your bank account. So yes, you can collect some free PayPal money with this website. And if you for some reason don't want to use PayPal or PayPal is not available in your country, don't worry because they do have some other payment options as well. And before we go over to that main website which is going to do the work for you, you will first need to come over to Coinbase. This is over at the Coinbase.com. This is a cryptocurrency exchange marketplace. This is a place where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency, where you can trade cryptocurrency. Coinbase is the easiest place to buy and sell cryptocurrency. And there's a lot of people using this website to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and as you can see, Bitcoin Cash, all the different cryptocurrency that is currently available. But that's not how you will be making money. So you will not have to trade any cryptocurrency with this website. You will not have to sign up to Coinbase and watch their tutorials to earn cryptocurrency or whatsoever. It's a lot easier because today we will be using some strategy that no one has ever talked about on YouTube, but it works super well. So you will probably be one of the first to use this strategy so you can take advantage of that early access and start making money with this strategy before everyone else. That's why I said it's super important to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you can be the first one to use all of the latest strategies. So go down below, tap the subscribe button and turn on the notification. Anyways, for the step number one, I just want you to come over to Coinbase.com and read more about how this platform works. Read more about how people trade their cryptocurrency with this website. As you can see, people are actually making thousands of dollars in profit trading cryptocurrency with Coinbase, but once again, this is not what you will be doing. There's something else which you can do to make a lot more money without ever trading your own money with this website. And by the way, I know a lot of people that use Coinbase to invest literally hundreds of thousands, if not sometimes millions of dollars in here. People are literally turning millions of dollars with Coinbase, so it's a huge platform. And as you can see, total volume traded is over $455 billion. Yep, over $400 billion in total volume on this website. It's available globally and it has already over 43 million verified users, and it's just growing right now because, as you might have noticed, everyone is talking about cryptocurrency, everyone is talking about Bitcoin, and more people are jumping into the cryptocurrency space. So that's why this is going to be perfect right now. The sooner you start, the more money you will be able to make. Once again, step number one, just come over to Coinbase.com and read more about how it works. Step number 2. Now you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website, and right underneath the company section, I want you to select affiliates. So you will become an affiliate for Coinbase so you can make money without ever trading your money on here. So you can make hundreds of dollars on complete autopilot without ever putting your money into Coinbase. So let's read more about how it actually works. So you will sign up for absolutely free to become an affiliate. You will promote it with the tool which I'm about to give you. So the tool is gonna do all the work for you, so you don't have to spam your friends and family, so you don't need any social media followers for this, and you will not have to create any YouTube videos about it or whatsoever. And then at the end you will earn commissions on an autopilot. When new customers join Coinbase through your promotions, you could earn a commission, and you're actually making 50% off of their fees for the first 3 months. And if someone starts investing thousands of dollars with this website, you could be making 50% off of all of that money. And as I said, there are literally people spending millions of dollars on Coinbase. You saw that over $455 billion is being processed through Coinbase, which is just insane. So you refer a person that spends $1,000, that starts investing $1,000, starts trading $1,000 on Coinbase, you will make $500 completely passively. And since the Bitcoin price is just going insane, people are literally investing tens of thousands of dollars with cryptocurrency. Imagine referring someone that buys an entire Bitcoin, one whole Bitcoin, through your affiliate link. You could make 50% off of that, which is absolutely insane. And what's really good about Coinbase affiliate program is that you can actually get paid in your local currency no matter where you live. So you can collect money in your own currency. You can select the currency you prefer and get paid that way. Once again, you're making 50% in commissions, which is really high, and you will get paid electronically via PayPal or your bank account, which is also really great. It's easy to use, it's secure, and a really trusted affiliate program. So all you have to do is sign up to their affiliate program by clicking on become an affiliate. You will create an absolutely free account. The sign up process is probably going to take up to 5 minutes because they will ask you different questions like where are you coming from, how you will be promoting Coinbase, and different stuff like that. Just fill out that form, hit submit, and they should approve you in a couple of hours. And once you get accepted into their affiliate program, you will get your special affiliate link, which you will need to share with other people so they can sign up, they can start trading, and you can start making some money in pure passive income. Now, after that, you will need to use this platform, which I promised you that is going to get you some traffic on a complete autopilot. And I tested it out with different affiliate offers. I saw it work, so I promoted some different affiliate offers. Now I want to try it with Coinbase because Coinbase can actually make you a lot more money, since, as I said, people are literally investing tens of thousands of dollars in it, and you're making 50% off of all of their investments, which is just insane. Now, as I promised you, somewhere along the video, I'm going to show you how you can claim a $5 absolutely free bonus. Now, if you want to use this app to get traffic to whatever affiliate offer you want to promote, you can use my link in the description down below, my affiliate link, and I grabbed some of the best deals for you so you can grab it for a fraction of the price. But not only that, if you also use my link from the description down below, you will get this feature to get a $5 free bonus. So not only can you grab this for lifetime for less than $20 to get you traffic on an autopilot for lifetime for a fraction of the price, but take a look at this. Here's the trick. If you hover your mouse somewhere else, somewhere outside of this landing page, like you want to leave, they will give you a $5 bonus. And this is a secret. Like, follow my mouse right now. If I want to leave, it's going to say stop, don't leave empty-handed, and it's going to give me a $5 discount, a $5 bonus. You just need to click here to claim it, and you will grab it for even $5 less. So that's how you can save $5. That's how you can get $5 for absolutely free. It's a simple trick, but it's definitely worth it. You can promote any affiliate offer you like, and they will result in free autopilot traffic and sales in 60 seconds. It literally takes less than a single minute. Zero tech skills and zero experience needed. It's all in one affiliate solution for lifetime, so you don't have to ever think about traffic again. Free bar traffic for every campaign. 100% beginner friendly. No skills or experience, no domains, no hosting or tech required, no additional costs or monthly fees, And they also, as I showed you, have step-by-step instructions included, step-by-step tutorials that are going to explain you exactly how to set up those simple campaigns. So I highly recommend you come over to this page, which is linked in the description down below. Watch this video, it's gonna explain you exactly how Wizard works, and you can grab it for the fraction of the price with the trick which I just shared with you in this video. I really hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up so we can hit 1000 likes on this video, and if you haven't already, do yourself a favor by clicking that red subscribe button with notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in some of the next videos.